Hello, friends. Good morning, everyone. My name is Prashad. I started this YouTube channel to help the people to learn English language. My qualification is a BA BEd. In BEd, my methodologies are social and English. Ever since from the childhood, I fell in love with the language, whatever it is. Especially, I fell in love with English language. I am very much interested in learning languages. Finally, I got up learning English and I just want to help the people. Uh, I just want to share how I learned English language, what tricks and methods I followed in order to become fluent in English. Today I'm able to speak English and today I'm able to teach English to others because of all those tricks and methods and because of practice. I practiced a lot. You don't believe. I really every day, every single day, I practiced a lot, and I started thinking in English. I just stopped thinking in my mother tongue and translating it in English. So ever since I started following this trick, I happen to see amazing results. Many people say that you have to know the meaning in your mother tongue. The so translation method is best for the people whose second language is English. So I don't believe. I just listened to the audios even though I did not understand anything. I just watched English movies even though I didn't understand even a single word what they are speaking. But that gave me an experience and the accent. I got used to the sounds and everything. So because of that, today I'm able to understand everything English content, whatever it is, movies, songs, whatever it is. Because of those efforts in the past, I used to listen even though I did not understand anything. So, my dear students, you have to start listening first of all because if you don't listen, you don't get used to that audio. So, my dear friends, what I'm trying to say is you listen. Don't expect you understand everything from that audio or from that movie from the song. You don't expect, first of all, you just listen to the sounds, that's all. Just enjoy the sound, enjoy the accent, that's all. No need to remember each and every word, no need to know each and every meaning. You are just beginners just listen. Just remember when you were a child, up to 2 or 3 years, you didn't understand everything your father, your mother spoke to you, right? Your friends, your drivers. So initially just try to listen to them and pay attention, concentration. So finally what happened? When you were 3 years old, suddenly you start speaking, but it's not sudden moment. So behind that fluency, 3 years immense experience, immense practice, immense listening was there. So in order to become fluent in English language, you have to listen more and more. You have to practice it. You should not be afraid of making mistakes. Or bye bye. So, my dear friends, in order to become fluent in English language, in order to communicate well in English language, you need not learn each and every word. There may be more than 10 lakhs words in English language, but you need not learn all those 10 lakhs words in English language. The basics words you have to learn first, friends. Whatever you speak at home, whatever you speak with your family members, with your friends, those words if you learn, that's enough, friends. So in order to become a good communicator in English language, you need to learn minimum 300 words, friends. Just 300 words. If you learn within 1 or 2 months, you will be able to speak English, you will be able to understand. After that, if you really want to become more fluent in English language, if you really want to become master in English language, then you need to focus on the vocabulary. But vocabulary is not that much important in order to communicate with our family members and friends. That's not that much. Just in order to communicate with our family members, says I am feeling hungry, serve me food, give me water, go there, I'm going to shop, I'm going for walk, and I want to do this, I don't want to do that, I like him, I don't like him, I like her, I don't like her. They are my relatives, they're my friends, these are cousins. These word sentences, just minimum 300 words. If you know, you will be able to communicate in English very well. And I just want to share my experience how I learned English language. I learned English from my uncle. My uncle was very very good in English, very good at English language, and he inspired me a lot and he encouraged me a lot to learn English language. So it is help I could speak English very well. And every day you can see I read the newspaper, I make videos, whether right or wrong. That I'm least bothered about that bit, because without practice we will never become fluent in English language. Yes, if you wait for perfection, the perfection will never come, and you will never be able to make a video. My uncle told me, so I just followed that. In my previous videos, he wrote there's some grammatical mistakes I observed, but I'm not bothered. I'm not going to bother about them, because uh, I'm going to learn something because of those mistakes. If I don't make any mistakes, I will never be able to learn new things. That's the reason, friends. So if you follow the same method, and if you want to concentrate on the action, you need to watch more and more English content, English movies. You can watch your programs. There are plenty of videos available in YouTube. This platform you can make so many things. So make it a habit of watching and listening and speaking with others. So if you do like that every day, you will be able to speak English fluently within 1 or 2 months. But in order to become fluent in English language, you need to work hard for at least 1 or 2 years, 3 years continuously. You have to continue that habit. You should not worry about what other people think about you. You have to you should not worry about that. Once you worry about the society and the people, or you'll never be able to reach your goal, and you cannot practice this. You need to speak wherever you go, whenever you talking to or speaking to, you need to practice a lot. And the main thing is you have to stop worrying about your mistakes. Why you have to worry about mistakes? You're learning. In the process of learning, you're going to make many mistakes. It's common with any language. As a child, I too made many mistakes when I started learning my mother tongue, Telugu. So slowly, gradually, I picked up the language, and today I'm fluent in English language. Today, I can understand movie content, everything in the same manner with English language. Also, initially, first of all, you have to learn the basic words, basic phrases, sentences, the communication, everyday language, what we do, what we say, what we tell, what we listen, what we watch, what we read, whom we meet, whom do you like, what's your favorite movie, what's your favorite song, what's your favorite color, what's your favorite food, who's your favorite hero, who's your favorite author. So the basic words phrases communication makes a good difference. So friends, don't worry about the vocabulary, don't worry about your grammar rules, just speak whatever you want, just listen, imitate. That's all. The process should be continued forever. And you need not wait for 1 or 2 years, 3 years to speak basic communication. So all of you can speak very well, all of you can become fluent in English language. You speak like whatever you want to speak. Don't worry about others. Don't First of all, get rid of that thought what others think. You need not worry about others. Just keep talking, keep speaking, keep reading. Whatever you want to speak, whatever you want to write down. And whatever you want to watch, and you can select the friends who are interested in learning English language. Then your job will be easy. Even though they are not interested, you can stand in front of the mirror and you can talk to yourself. You can maintain a diary. You can write down whatever you want. Just I don't think there is somebody who doesn't know English alphabet, who doesn't know basic words. So maybe you are one of them. You know English alphabet, English words. So why are you waiting still? You have to make a habit. You have to continue that habit, speaking English every time with your friends and family members, with the students, with teachers, colleagues, with everyone, with yourself. You can talk. Make a habit. Keep thinking in English language. So you act as you don't know any other language. It is your mother tongue, and we have to speak something. We have to pick up the subject, about the solar system, about the environment, about the nature, about the holiday trip, about your health, about the present pandemic situation. You can talk, and related vocabulary you can find. You can Google them. and you can find it at each and everything, whatever the topic you want to speak, and you can find that topic in Google nowadays. So my dear friends, this is my sincere advice to you. If you want to become fluent in English, if you want to shine in your career, or if you want to go for further studies, if you want to prove yourself, you want to become a good communicator, you start learning today. You're awesome, you're excellent person. You learned mother tongue means you will be able to learn any other language too, the same effort. But first of all, get rid of those fears, Cap. Put your efforts into your efforts, and uh, when you want to learn English, you'll be able to attract with the same environment. You should be immersed in the English language. So here we do not go to any other speaking English speaking content. We can get any videos on YouTube and Google. So there are plenty of resources if you really want to learn English language. If you're really interested in English language, you can. Nobody can stop you. So this is all what I want to say for today, friends. And here in my speech too, there were some mistakes. Please mention them in comment box where I made mistakes, if you know. Or else, if you feel this is really inspirational video, please like the video and share it with your friends or family members also. Thank you so much. Hope you all doing well. And I just want to end this video. I hope I gave the inspiration which you need to learn English language. You don't worry about anything. You need not be afraid of the grammatical mistakes. Thank you so much, friends. All the best. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.